Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix some iCloud data isn't syncing in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing this type issue that you see that some iCloud data isn't syncing, so let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing is that you just have to tap on this resume data sync and you have to enter your iPhone passcode and your data sync will be resumed. If it's not work for you, you just have to go back from here, relaunch your settings app, tap on your Apple ID here, tap on the sign out option, and you have to try to sign out using this sign out but don't erase option. Tap on this continue and enter your Apple ID password and your account will be signed out. After signing out, you have to re-sign in and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to double check that you are connected to a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, trying to disconnect with that, go back from here, open your software update section, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find trying to update your app, after that go back again, go for this data type section and select your time zone based on your location, then enable this toggle to set automatically. After that, go back again, and here this time you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So here, if your issue has been fixed or not, if it's still not fixed your issue, you have to open your Apple ID, select your iCloud from here, and you have to check do you have enough storage into your iCloud. And here you can see I have enough storage. So if you don't have enough storage, it might be that you don't have enough storage, you're unable to sync or you're unable to get backup of your data. So you have to upgrade for your more storage. You can try to delete something from your iCloud, and after that you just have to go back from here and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, tap on this iCloud option again, and here just tap on this iCloud backup and tap on this backup now option. After that, your backup will be started, so it might be that your issue will be fixed in this tab. If it's still not fixed, there's the only way. Very first, you have to try to restart the device, or if this doesn't work, so you have to contact the Apple support team. So very first, we have tried to restart our device. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. We have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry or check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have to open your Apple Sport app. You can easily install the Apple Sport app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Sport Web. And here, open your iPhone from here, then tap on this More option. Scroll down, look for iCloud option here. If you don't find here iCloud, you have to go back, tap on this update, backup or restore, and here just select using iCloud option. Wait for this loading, tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find the phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.